Okay, I'm back with another YouTube tutorial. On this one, I'm going to show you how to thread this Project Runway limited edition sewing machine. I'm still using my phone right now until I can learn how to use my camera, so it might be a little blurry. Forgive my background, and we're going to get started. Okay, the first thing I did was I took it at the box, what you seen on the unveiling video, and I did my plugs. I plugged this one in this one, and it runs. It's just a regular plug you plug in the wall, and then you have this white one that goes on the back of here, and that's for the foot of the sewing machine, the presser foot. Okay, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to take your spool thread, which I already have up here. This is a spool thread. Usually it be like this. When you get through, when you get ready to put it up, you'll fold it like this, but you're going to open it back up for now. What you're going to do, you're going to slide your thread spool on there like that, and depends on how big the thread spool is. Depends on how big the thread spool cap is. This thread spool cap is the correct size for this thread spool, so you're going to slide it on there like this, then you have your thread. Now, your directions are right here. They're showing you right here how to thread the top and the bobbin. So what we want to do first, before we start threading the top, we want to thread the bobbin. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this thread, we're going to do exactly what they say. We're going to take it through that first hook right here, which is right. Let me get up out of here because I already had the thread because I had a project. It's right here. That same hook right here, they're showing you this, what you do is right here. So we already got the thread through there, just take it through there. I already got it through there. Okay, then it said your next step is bringing it up here. As you can see, right here. I'm sorry, right here. And your next step is right here. So you're going to take this, put it through there. You see this part right here? It's the same as this right here. So once you put it in that hook, right here, which is right here, you're going to go just like this. This is my thread. Can you see that? I'm sorry, y'all. This is my thread, and I want to take it and put it right there. You're going to bring it, that thread around. Can you see my thread coming around? It got hooked on. And then the next part is this part, which is right here. So see how they got the diagram? You can see how they twisted it around that part and brought it back around. So we're going to do that right quick. So this is our piece. So now I'm going to take my thread. I'm doing this with my hand. I'm going to go around like this. I'm sorry, y'all. It's taking me a while. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm not even on the thing. I want to take it around like this. Hold up, I'm doing it with one hand. I'm so sorry, guys. Take it. And I just wrapped it. Shucks. See? I just wrapped it around now. I'm going to tug it a little bit. The thread is so long. I'm going to tug it a little bit. Right here. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do after that, see how I got my thread coming this way, because that's the way it's supposed to go. This right here is where your bobbin will go. And this is the bobbin, and that's how you wind your bobbin. Okay. I already had a bobbin wind already for this one, but I'm gonna have to get a new fresh bobbin and try to show y'all exactly how it goes. Okay, I have a pink one in here that I already threw it. I might not even have a fresh bobbin. Let me see. Yeah, I do. Okay. So now, hopefully I can do this with one hand because I got to put this thread through this. And what I'm going to do is I'm getting this tangled all up. Okay. I'm going to cut some of this thread off. Get my scissors. It's way too long. Okay. Now, this is the bottom. This is the empty bottom. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to place this up here. So that it snap. Okay, now you're going to take your thread, like it says right here. You're going to bring it around here. With my other hand around here like this. See, I'm pulling it out some. I'm sorry. Pulling it out some. Now, I'm going to take it, and it's a hole right here. There's a hole right there. And you want to take your thread and stick it up through that hole. Don't bring it down. Bring it up so it can be like that. You want to take that thread through that hole. So 1 minute, I'm going to put it through the hole because I can't do it with one hand. Came up and pulled it through there like that. Now you're going to take it. Just a second because I haven't even closed my machine up, y'all. And then I'm going to show you how I'm going to bob. My plate. Looking for my bobbin plate. Plate to cover up. What happened to my plate? Now I'm going to cut it on. It's on now. Okay, now you want to hold your thread up. It's on. Then all you want to do is press your pedal. And when you press your pedal, you want to make sure that your thread on this bobbin is not lopsided, everything is even. And you just press down your pedal. Slide the bobbin at. And looking at it, it's straight, it's not wobbly. And okay, I'm not gonna do it all the way. I just want to do it enough to show you. And this is, take it out, step it back, don't do it too hard, don't force it. Now what you want to do with your bobbin, this is a drop-in bobbin. So what you want to do is you want to drop it down in there, take it, bring that string through that part, just like that. Take it around here, all the way there, and snap it off. And then you should have something to cover that. And for some odd reason, I can't find mine, and I just took it off. And you really can't sew or do anything else without that top. You need that top. Oh, here it goes. Okay, so then you take your is right here. And looking at it through this, trying to get it through here to keep it, keep the camera straight, but that ain't here for me because I can't see what I'm doing. Okay, so now you want to take this thread that's at the top. You want to get it from around that, which you had it around at first, and you want to get it from around this too. I'm sorry, hold on, just one minute. Okay. Now what I'm doing is I'm gonna take my thread, I'm gonna show you how to do the top. Okay, take it. Just put it back through there, like you did at first. Take it through here, like you did at first. And then your next step is, instead of going back this way, over here, you want to go down through this slot. Take your thread through that slot. So now I'm going to grab my thread, as you can see. And I'm going to take it. You see the thread? Take it on down through there. And drop it just like that. Okay, now the next thing you want to do is your needle. You want to make sure your needle is raised all the way up because it's a silver thing inside there. You see that silver thing with that hook? You want to put the thread through there. So, to make sure your needle is up. Knot right here on the side. And you actually have the highest point. So now we know our needle is high, raised up to the highest point. What we're going to do now is we're going to take this thread and we're going to take it through there. And then you can see, also you can see the numbers of the steps. Because see, the first step was the thread, that was 1. Then you see 2, bring it down up in here. And then you see 3, which is talking about looping it back up in here. You see that? I had already went through this leg, then I'm going to go up. Put this thread through here. And then you have that hook I was telling you about right there. You want to put it, make sure it's in that hook. So mine is in the hook. Make sure it's in the hook. And you want to bring it right back down. Then after that, I think we have it. Take this thread, slide it through here. Slide through like I just did. And then you want to take it, the thread, after you put the thread through your hole from the front to the back, and then you just ease it back there. And then you're really ready to start sewing. If you have any other questions or any advice, if you like my videos, thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe. Any pointers, because like I said, this is my first time doing any kind of videos on someone. I love sewing, I love crafting, I love finding ways to save money. I love making my kids things. I love making myself do things. I just like to be unique and different. So if you have any ideas, any suggestions on how to make my videos better, anything,